Mobile Legends! Our turret is under attack! Request backup! Launch attack!
Baka na ikaw eh. Tulad. Saan ako sala? Masag YouTube. Eto sinabok.
Archie, I feel weird. My throat burns.
Katrina, are you okay? Your eyes are watering. Help! Boy, help!
What happened?
I think she hit something.
What's happening here? Is everything alright? Step back. I think the fumes is too strong. Hey, go home to Montesino. Okay, ma'am.
Mr. Montesino!
Sir,
What's happening here?
I think Katrina inhaled some chemical fumes. Probably from a chlorine gas reaction gone wrong.
Okay, I will get the oxygen mask at the office.
Okay, sir. Step back. Thank you. Katrina, I'm giving you this to help you breathe. Okay, here. Do you feel like this in your chest?
I think this is the chlorine gas exposure. It reacts moisture in your lungs and creates hydrochloric acid, causing irritation and swelling. That is why your eyes and your throat are also swelling.
Is she going to be okay?
She should recover after inhaling amounts of fresh air and oxygen, but with high amounts can lead to severe lung damage. This is why lab protocols and proper ventilation is very important during experiments.
Yeah, that's why we will review our safety protocols immediately. This could have been much worse.
Alright, we'll bring her to the clinic. Wait here, students.
Okay.
What an experience! Pero actually, no, sarang itong Katrina.
Bitaw, sana siya doon na yan kay murag lesson learned po sa ato nga dapat ta mo follow sa balaod diri nga lab protocols.
Gani, hindi ko siya nga magsuot og lab gown.
Kita ko wala siya ang haircut ug tuan gloves.
Muna, importante jud nga magsuot ng lab gown, complete PPE ug mask during laboratories.
Awa, di ba? Healthy kay pagkitan compared niya.
With the incident that happened, we concluded that it's very important to follow proper laboratory guidelines to ensure safety and to prevent accidents from happening. If we neglect them, especially for handling substances like chlorine gas, it can lead to severe health risks such as respiratory change and toxic exposure. That is why we should always follow safety guidelines to protect ourselves and others in the laboratory.
Ken! Dali sa... Oh! Wala! Magali! Adlook kay bay. Toxicology nga kuan daw, na chlorine nga exposure daw. Hapit na matay ang bay-bay. Ano naman? Wala daw siya. Wala, tanawa. Wala siya nagtarong upuan. Wala ko siya kabantay kung nabay carbon monoxide daw sa kuan surrounding. Hinawag sa tagkuan di. I-check sa nasi. Ano kay masinailit di sa ref.
Wala no eh. Uwi na kayo.
Nalag! Agoy, maparehas ani.
Dili mo nila laboratory.
Agoy!